In this video, I will show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail in CapCut. Now, in order to do that, head over to your CapCut.com and then click onto this image option right here. Doing that, you can see in here this you may want to try, and in here we can see the YouTube thumbnail. Just click on that right here and then it will open in here a new tab wherein it will show you your own CapCut. Now from in here you can see the designing process and it will show you first some templates that you can choose from as well. Now for this one, just wait for this to actually load for a few minutes or a few seconds. Now we have in here some suggestions. So just head over and choose those one. So for example, I'll choose in here this beach strip option and we can now see it right here. So you can click on any element from there and edit it as you may want. Now you can also generate a text to design option if you want to. You can change the picture that was added right here. You can upload in here a picture that you would want, add some text and the likes. Now from in there, just click onto this download all in order to download this thumbnail that you have just made.